Okay, well, sorry. Gotta try to figure out if it's recording or not. Didn't get a chance to put in the video yesterday, but I'm doing it early this morning to report from yesterday. Yesterday I was relaxing, just watching Martin, almost done with season 3, yay! And my friend Junior called, and he says, I'm gonna come over and pick you up. I was like, fuck. So I came over, we got dressed, went to IKEA. I ended up spending more money than he did, and it was his idea to go. Nice, right? So, long story short, now I woke up. Oh, it is a day. This morning sucked. I hung out last night with another friend, Jay, and we karaoke'd for like 3 hours. Oh my god. So, that was totally fun. We went to eat dinner, and then we karaoke'd at his house. That was really fun. I had a good time. So, what else? That's it. Well, my friend Carmela's sick, so I prayed for her last night. I hope she gets better. Today is the first day back from work from a 4-day weekend, and I'm not excited. And I'm already running late, but I had a chance to put in a really quick video. Bye!